Sana pa po kabalan, kumusta kayo po? Ako'y Luis Seasoning Wear in Pampanga. Yan po nga doon ngayon ni atin kong date. Hi ma'am!
Hi!
We were invited to witness yun pong grand opening na ni Surestay Plus Hotel. So this is located along Surla Street, Balibago, Angeles City. And the way nyo naman yung kaya kaming guys set up. So we also heard there are some VIPs coming, some politicians. Yeah, honored kami po and we are excited. We're happy for this invitation and for this event. Ini pa mo congratulations to the entire hotel management and sana po akit siya mo naman din. Ito, bayan nyo kami po for this experience. Right, so chutang mo kining lual naning Surestay Plus Hotel. Happy nining entrance na right now. They're doing a marker signing with DOT, Mayor Lazatin, management. Ito, we just want to congratulate Surestay Plus for grand launching kining Angeles City, another place for you to check out. Lagda na. So we're gonna have a tour of the place and ikot tayo. Ito, so we're inside one of the rooms. So this is one of their deluxe room. This is a king size bed. Of course, the usual safety deposit. You have your huge mirror here and a bathroom. Wow. How much is this, sir? Would you know? 3,000? Wow! For a room this size. Huh? Okay. Okay, so this is your what type of room, sir?
Superior.
Superior.
And for this room, it's queen.
Queen size. All right. Then the price is, would you know how much? 2,000? Really? Wow, guys. Oh, ganun. Around that range na, so. Para siyang vanity mirror. Ito around, let's confirm na. So it's around 2,000 to 3,000 pesos. So very cheap. So right after our tour, go to our table, go back to our table, and voila! It's our dinner. So mga tao po.